Gespasa fuel dispensers, STE and SHK dispensers. The dispenser is designed to provide maximum performance with the greatest simplicity. Highly robust and reliable. Stainless steel chassis for long durability. Maximum sealing of the electronic part that's protected from water and dust. Vapor barrier for maximum safety and compliance with the regulations on pump construction. Base that allows direct installation without the need for an additional base. Rear die cut to facilitate the entry of overhead pipes without the need for an additional base. Interior distribution designed for quick and easy access to all interior elements, facilitating installation and maintenance. Pump with degasser and piston meter that provide maximum measurement precision. 1 or 2 products, versions for diesel, gasoline or AdBlue. Electronic indicator display or integrated supply controller. Available in Monster Jet format for high flow delivery. Gespasa fuel dispenser, maximum reliability, total control.